Alright guys, so I just got off work and I'm actually getting a new modification for my BRZ today, which I am really excited about. And this lighting makes my BRZ look so good. Alright guys, so I guess we'll start the video with the Demon Eyes. Haven't turned these on in a long time. It makes the car look so aggressive. So I'm starting this video today and I'm gonna end it tomorrow because it's already getting dark outside. I just got off work. I'm heading to my buddy's house. He's selling me a new modification for my BRZ, and it's something that I've been thinking about getting for a while, and I've said it in previous videos before. And I do love how my car looks right now. I love my wheels, I love my aero, but something I'm getting rid of and I'm selling, and I'm getting a new replacement for it. I'm getting new side skirts for my BRZ, and if you can see, these are my carbon fiber side skirts. I've had these on for almost 2 full years now, almost the whole time I've owned my car, which is crazy. And I love how they look because it does match my carbon fiber ducktail wing and my carbon fiber Valenti taillights. But I finally got the chance to get STI style side skirts for my BRZ. This is a warm start because I did just move my car, but it still sounds so good. I'm gonna pick up the new side skirts today and I'll do the install tomorrow because it's gonna be way too dark to do them. These side skirts do look really good, and I'll put a picture of my buddy's car on the screen right now. As you can see, they look awesome, especially the orange color of his car. With my car being a darker color, I think it's gonna look really sleek, look really awesome, and I can't wait to get them on.
Many hours later.
Alright guys, I'm finally back home. That was about 2.5 hours of driving, and I finally have my new side skirts. They're the STI style side skirts. They're gonna look awesome on my BRZ, and I've wanted these for the longest time just because it looks so sleek on the car. And considering these are black and my car is dark, it's gonna look awesome on the car. And I do love my carbon fiber ones, but to be honest, I have a feeling these are gonna look really awesome. So I'm gonna wait till the morning to install these, and I'm gonna pick up the video after work tomorrow when I install my new side skirts on my BRZ.
The next day.
And now that it's getting dark around 7 o'clock in Chicago, I get off work at 5:30, I get home around 6, so I have 1 hour until it's completely dark outside, which is crazy. So I'm gonna finish the side skirts on my car now, and tomorrow morning I'll do a full walk around of my car with the sunlight. And please leave a comment down below what you guys think of these side skirts so far. So I just finished putting both my new STI side skirts on my BRZ, and it looks awesome. So let me grab this light right here. And as you can see, it is really dirty, the right side skirt. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put my working motion wheel back on my car, lower my car back on the ground, do a quick walk around at night, and in the morning I'll do a full walk around of my BRZ, show you guys what it looks like right now. And honestly, I couldn't be any happier with my new STI side skirts. Alright guys, so it is the next morning right now, and I'm about to see my BRZ for the first time in the sunlight with my new STI side skirts. This was a modification I was looking forward to for a long time, and let's open the garage and see how these look like. Alright, so before I back the BRZ out, these are my old side skirts, my carbon fiber ones, and these looked great on the car. I had these on my car for almost 2 years, and they were awesome. Wow, it changes the whole side profile of my BRZ. I'll take a quick walk around here. Wow, that side view looks so good. Because my BRZ is dark, the dark side skirts look so good. I've wanted these side skirts for so long and always was hesitant on swapping out my carbon fiber ones, but these do look great. And let's check out the other side here. And sorry that my car's kind of dirty right now, but I'm just so excited that I got these on. Look at that. BRZ is really coming together well, and I'm happy I went back to my carbon fiber ducktail wing here. And with my rear diffuser, I decided I'm gonna keep it. Not too aggressive, but looks good overall. And these side skirts look awesome. Both sides look perfect. The fitment is great. And regarding the front lip, I was debating on going back to a gruddy front lip. Still thinking about it because front lip is the STI front lip, and my side skirts are STI as well. That's why it looks so good together. So these came out really good. I couldn't be any happier with how my car looks right now. And I'll finish this video off with a couple accelerations and we'll end it there. Alright guys, I'm ending the video right here. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please leave a comment down below what you guys think of my new side skirts for my BRZ. I love the STI style side skirts. I've wanted them for a long time and I think they look really awesome on my car. And remember, I respond back to every single comment I get. Peace out, and I'll see you guys in my next video.